highest in all the sections.
Yes, sir.
How many did you get?
79.5.
So Scooty, you disappointed me.
Since they were so strict checking, the map
You
got
couldn't
half mark for
even
writing.
score half mark for me, extra for me. This is your love for me. All right, let's do it. So let's write the definition of prism. A solid whose
Sir, this is
base
in which chapter?
and top are identical polygons. A solid whose base and top are identical polygons is a prism. Now, guys,
Like flat base and this pointed tip.
Sir, this is in which chapter?
I will have to check the chapter name.
So the prism in science and maths is different.
Yes, yes. So,
Oh,
for example, I have this hexagon and I have one more hexagon like this. If I join them, so this becomes a hexagonal prism. Now, you guys, can you give me a very common example of prism?
uh,
So,
cylinder.
cylinder.
Cylinder is not a prism. Who can tell me the reason?
Pyramid.
Who
Sir,
can tell me the reason?
So, because it is circular. Because it has
Because
a circular
circle
top.
is not a polygon.
Oh,
So
yeah.
square is, listen to me, square is not a prism because it is a 2D shape.
Cube and
rectangular prism.
Who said this? So we have got triangular prism. Who said cube and cuboid?
Me.
Who's me?
I did.
Beta, I am very, very disappointed with you. You couldn't even score half mark more for your teacher. This is what you repay me. So yes, cube and cuboid are correct. They are the simplest examples of prisms.
Prism?
Yes.
Sir, a notebook.
हाँ notebook even होगी तो even that can be. Next, write pyramid. A solid whose base is any polygon and side faces are triangles. So guys, keep on noting them. These are definitions you have to remember. So a solid whose base is, now all these shapes are 3D. We are talking about 3D shapes. Nothing is 2D. So base can be any polygon. It can be a triangle. It can be a square. It can be a rectangle.
Usually square, right?
Sir, can you show the prism for 1 second? Just
Yes.
yes, sir.
So this is which pyramid? Rectangular pyramid.
The pyramids of Giza.
No, the pyramids of Giza are
And now guys, इसमें भी एक line और लिख लो. So, polygons. Side faces are rectangles or parallelograms. Side faces are rectangles or parallelograms. All right. Now let's count the faces this hexagonal pyramid has. So anyone wants to give a try? Let me ask, raise your hands. How many faces are there in this hexagonal prism? First, I'm talking about hexagonal prism. Zapman, beta, you also keep on unmute.
Sir, 10.
Who said without raising their hands? Who was that person? Chatty. Chatty. The answer is also wrong. Yes, Dia.
Sir, 8.
8 is correct.
Ah,
So one at the top, one at the base, or from every edge, I have one face. दिख रहा है आपको?
yes, sir.
Chatty दिखा?
Sir, I thought octagon.
Understood? So we have 6 faces of this. No, 8 faces of this. What about the vertices? Who wants to give the answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Mr. Ba. Yes, Mr. Ba.
12.
12 is correct. So we have 12 vertices. Now what about the edges? Raise your hands. Quickly.
Sir, what about the edges?
Yes, yes, Chatty.
Sir, is it 18?
Yes, 18 is correct.
Yes.
We have 6 edges at the top, 6 at the bottom, and 6 lateral ones.
In the middle.
So we have 18 edges. Next we go to rectangular pyramid. So how many faces? First of
Sir.
all, no one will speak like this. Yes, Scooter,
5.
5 faces. How many
One is
vertices?
the,
Ruhan, Aroda,
3.
5 vertices. How many edges? Raise your hand. Aman, how many edges are there? Aman will be joining 1 or 2 classes, guys. He had a doubt in this one. He's not from your grade. Aman, how many edges are there? So he says your answer is correct. Anyone else wants to answer? How many edges are there? Smiley. Oh, Arav wants to answer. Yes, Arav.
5.
5 is wrong. Smiley, your chance. How many edges are there?
Sir, 5 only.
5
Sir,
is wrong.
Sir, 10. 10.
10 is wrong. Next, Hacker, your chance. How many edges are there?
So 7.
7 is wrong. Candyman, your chance. How many edges are there? देखो गाइस आप इमेजिन करोगे तो ये
Sir,
बहुत easy
8.
चलेगा. 8 is correct. Imagine करो 4 नीचे, from every vertex 1 is going up. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you imagine, it becomes very easy. Imagine nahi karo, it becomes, oh, 3D shape, 3D shape. So you have to imagine. Now guys, there is a very
Sir, how
important
8
pyramid.
edges? Sir, how 8 edges?
Beta, 4 purple, 4 brown, 4 standing ones from each vertex and 4 in the base.
Oh. Okay.
So we have a very important pyramid, which is a triangular pyramid. Pyramid नहीं, pyramid है. So a pyramid whose base and face and lateral faces are and all faces are triangle. It is also called tetrahedron. What is it called? Tetrahedron. Now those who gave the wrong answer will get an opportunity to give me its. यार ये अच्छा नहीं बना.
Sir,
Yes.
so
So wait. First of all, let's start with the faces. Who gave the wrong answer? Hacker. How many faces are there?
So 4.
4. Very good. एक नीचे or from with every edge one face. So we have 4 faces. Arav, how many vertices are there?
So I still don't understand what a vertices is.
Vertices, beta, means corners.
Oh, I thought that was edges. I mix them up a lot. So
Yes,
4.
4 vertices. Smiley, how many edges? Yes, beta, imagine karo. Smiley, how many edges? Yes, Adya.
So 6.
Third 6.
6. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is called tetrahedron. You have to remember. Understood, guys?
How are you able to draw such good 3D shapes?
I don't think we have to draw.
No, but how do you do that? I was never able to do it.
But I am also not very good at it, but I can manage, I suppose.
So we do addition, subtraction, and supplementary and complementary angles.
I will have a word with you. Next, how many faces this shape has? Tell me.
So how many faces? So 6.
Six.
It has 6 faces. So how, let me ask Smiley. How many edges are there, Smiley?
Yes, sir.
How many edges are there? Quickly.
12.
12.
Sir.
So 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom, and 4 standing ones.
Yes, sir. So 12.
12. Then we have how many vertices? 8.
8.
Same goes for cube also. Next
Yes.
we come to cylinder. How many faces are there? Faces, edges, vertices. Everyone give it in the chat. 1 minute question. 1 minute question, guys.
Sir, we have to give to Ragini ma.
Yes. All right. So Adya and Candy, beta. Candy, speak your answer. How many faces are there?
Sir, 2.
Beta, there will be 3. This is one face top, one face bottom, and one curved face. ये जो दोनों है ना, these are flat faces. And this one is curved face. So we have 3. How many edges are there, Zapman?
2.
2. One is this edge and one is this edge.
So the two at the side are not counted, right?
Yes.
Because
And
they're
how many vertices? 0.
4.
Next, for
Sir,
cone, how?
sir wanted, can it be 4 because of the points?
इसमें point है ही नहीं कोई.
Because the line is joining to the circle.
No, beta, no. There is no point in this. So 0 vertices. For cone, there will be how many faces, Zapman?
On 1. 2.
Beta, 2 face. This is one face, that face, and this is curved face. So 2 faces. Edges,
2.
only one. This one only. And vertices, 1.
1.
Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now let's do of a sphere. How many faces are there?
Sir, 1.
One face. How many edges are there?
0.
0 edges and 0 vertices. Let's do for send for this. अभी हमने square pyramid कर लिया ना? So then this is of no use because we already did. We did for triangular pyramid also. We did not do for triangular prism.
Is there a triangular prism?
Yes, better. It can be a triangular prism also. It can be a rectangular prism also. So everyone give the answer for triangular prism. Dash, faces, edges, vertices.
I got 4 of the answers. So first comes faces, then we have to type edges, then vertices, right?
बेटा short form लिख दो ना FEV. And already you have annoyed me.
Sir, how?
Beta, you just couldn't get half mark more for. This is height of, So chatty and hackers are hero of this question. So Zapman, your edges are wrong. Faces and vertices are correct. So Adya ji answer नहीं आया फिर से. Now chatty and hacker. So first of all, let's start with vertices. How many vertices are there, chatty and hacker?
Sir, 6.
Yes, beta.
Yeah.
1, 2,
Sir,
3.
Sir,
देखो इसका प्रिज्म
edges
ऐसा
और
होता है. देखो
vertices
उन्होंने
को-
बनाया कैसे भी हो, प्रिज्म ऐसा होता है. एक ट्राइंगल ऊपर, एक नीचे, एक ऐसे. तो 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. ये भी प्रिज्म है. सो कितनी वर्टिस और अच्छा ट्राइंगुलर प्रिज्म है या. सो 6 वर्टिसेस हो गई. Then beta, how many faces are there? Chatty and
5.
hacker.
5.
5. One at the base, one at the top, 3 lateral ones. यहाँ पे देखो एक नीचे, एक ऊपर, 3 sides में. So 6, 5 faces. Then how many edges are there?
9.
9.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. अब सब सही है. Understood, Mr. Bas, Smiley, Candy, and Aman. Understood. Who is this Aman? Okay, there is an important concept that I will explain you. So, I think I have explained you this concept in the past also. Chalo. So kids, this is a rectangle, correct? If I tilt this shape, can you tell me which shape it has become now?
That was this.
Sir, parallel one, sir. I don't know.
Parallelogram.
We
Parallelogram.
call it parallelogram. What do we call it? Parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
इसमें this sign means the opposite sides are parallel. Understood? Not understood?
Yes, sir.
Please note it down. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. It has no lines of symmetry.
So
I
why
think a
doesn't
man.
it?
Yeah.
So why doesn't it have any line of symmetry
You
when
tell me horizontal, rectangle, diagonal. You tell me.
but
I'll
you
show
can turn it, you can turn the line also.
you. टर्न लाइन नहीं, मुझे आप बता दो कौन सी लाइन होगी, मैं आपको बता
There
दूंगा.
are
Why it is not.
horizontal and vertical.
हॉरिजॉन्टल देखते हैं ना. हॉरिजॉन्टल में अगर इसकी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती, then the shape would have been like this. समझ में आया? Understood?
Yes, sir, because then it comes to the
Now next one is rhombus, जो आप बचपन में डायमंड डायमंड बोलते थे. Since diamonds are expensive, we won't call them anymore. So rhombus, all sides are of equal length. Then parallelogram में एक लाइन और.
You haven't done them equal.
I want you to be good in your drawing, okay? So that no student in future can tell you the same thing. So one more thing, all rectangles are parallelogram, but all parallelograms are not rectangles. ये समझ में आया?
but since rectangles have line of symmetry.
बेटा all rectangles are parallel. So वो अगर line of symmetry होगी, it will be a special case. Basically, what is the definition of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. अब it's a special case कि वो rectangle है, then it can have line of symmetry. All right, so this is a rhombus. All sides are of equal length. So it has its diagonals line of symmetry होगी. Let me check this. Length, then Every rhombus, every square is a rhombus.
Sir, can you remove that?
Yes,
sir,
but every rhombus is not a square.
Sir, do rhombuses have lines of symmetry?
Yes, they have.
So the side ones, right?
I'm just checking. You already know quadrilateral or you don't know?
Sir, we know.
Sir, we know.
Sir, a polygon having 4 sides is called a quadrilateral.
Sir, can you
Quadrilateral.
So एक additional information दे रहा हूँ. Its diagonals are its like line of symmetry. Its diagonals are its line of symmetry. Diagonals bisect each other at right angles. The diagonals ka point we can write in parallelograms also. Diagonals bisect each other. What does bisect means?
Yes, sir. What does it mean?
I
To
will
cut
tell
through
you.
something or to go through somewhere. So to like cross something or go through something.
Wait. Means अगर ये मेरी diagonals हैं तो this and this is equal, this and this is equal. Bisect means they divide each other into equal parts.
So parallelograms also have lines of symmetry. Or they
Beta,
just divide it into equal parts. No
they
lines.
they divide each other into equal parts. All right,
But no line of symmetry.
but no line of symmetry unless it's a what? Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Next one is trapezium. So trapezium.
Why are they so weird names?
One pair of parallel lines. A quadrilateral having one pair of parallel lines. But इतना ही करेंगे definition. Quadrilateral having one pair of parallel lines.
Sir, is there another?
There are more also. Kite भी है, I think, but I think ये 4 sufficient है अभी के लिए.
So should I click a screenshot of these 3? Or there are more?
Wait, I am seeing if kite is there or not.
So kite is a rhombus, right?
No, beta, kite is not a rhombus. And we can write more points also. One more point. Opposite sides के साथ आप please opposite angles भी कर लो. Opposite sides and angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel angles का अलग लिख लेते हैं. Opposite angles are equal. Angles are equal and adjacent angles are supplementary. I will explain this.
That supplementary means they're not equal.
Supplementary means their total is 180.
Oh.
Next, we can write every rhombus is a parallelogram.
Sir, every one is a parallelogram.
But
Every parallelogram is not a rhombus.
Parallelogram is not a rhombus. Have we written it, guys? Now let me explain this. See kids, जो भी parallelogram की properties हैं like opposite sides are equal and parallel वो satisfy होती है rhombus में, then opposite angles are equal, मतलब दो angles which are opposite to each other will be equal. Now what do I mean by adjacent angles? Adjacent angles means which are neighbor. What is the meaning of supplementary? Supplementary means their total is 180 degree. Total will be 180 degree. Both angles will be 180 degree. So if we have angle 1, angle 2, their total will be how much? 180 degree. ठीक है? Understood? Yes or no, guys? कोई
Yes,
confusion
sir.
हो बता दो. Suppose
No,
this is a parallelogram. I give you one angle. ये मैंने आपको दिया 50. So what will be this angle? Tell me. Raise
so
your hands.
20.
Raise your hands. No, Scooter is not getting a chance today. Question goes to Zapman. Ara, beta, keep on unmute. What will be this angle?
So which angle?
This one, beta. This is a parallelogram. What will be this angle?
90.
बेटा ये 90 दिख रहा है, ये L दिख रहा है. Aman, you know the answer? Mr.
Sir.
Aman?
Sir, may I?
No.
Sir, please, can I?
Okay, Dia, you tell me.
50.
50. Why 50? What's the reason?
Because opposite angles are equal.
Because opposite angles are equal. Now, how much will be this? Beta, see लिखा है यहाँ पे opposite angles are equal. How much will be this angle?
How can I tell?
So please can I?
No, today you are
So
not
can I
getting.
tell, please? So can I please
The
tell?
question answer goes to Chatty.
Sir, I don't know.
Yes, Mr. Ba.
130.
130 because ये दोनों angles adjacent है या ये दोनों adjacent है, they are supplementary. Supplementary means total 180 होगा. So this is 130.
Sir, opposite like up.
ये opposite मतलब ऐसे.
Oh.
And
Sir,
ये
it's not
130 है तो ये भी
fair.
130 होगा.
Sir, you should exchange those two. Like,
30
because that is
degrees.
that's a smaller
Yeah,
angle.
I marked it wrong. Yes, I have to exchange those two. But figures are not drawn to scale, so it can happen with you also.
So it's not fair.
Can
I'm
you
not
show
getting
that
a
for
chance
1
today.
second? Sir, can you show that for 1 second?
1 second only, na?
Sir,
Theoretically. Practically, no.
Let me correct it because you guys are saying so. Because this is not your exam. All right.
Now I can take a screenshot.
So solve the first two questions. Now this is an important concept for any boarding exam. Question 1
Oh,
and question 2 also.
sir, any boarding exam?
Yes.
How many
Dharam, do you prepare for Science Olympiad?
Sir, no.
You don't do any preparation from your end also?
In 5 minutes, does the hour hand turn?
I think when we started this chapter, I explained you this concept.
Yes, sir.
So
I
let's see
think
how
I
many.
remember. I think I remember. Okay.
Mr. Ba, what's the highest marks in your class?
79.
79.
Who got it?
Navya got. Navya.
And
But in our class, there were 279.5.
Smiley, what's the highest mark in your class?
So 78.
So second answer is what? Obviously, everyone got it right. But because they have drawn the diagram also, it is acute angle, correct? Now, first question, guys. How many degrees does the hour hand of a clock turn in 5 minutes? So how much does it turn in 1 minute? First, let's find for 1 hour. 1 hour, in 12 hours, it goes 360
30
degrees.
degrees. 30
So
degrees.
in 1 hour, it goes 360 divided by 12,
30.
which is equal to 30 degrees. And in 1 minute, it will go 30 degree divide by 60 because there are 60 minutes. So it will be half degree.
So that's
So
what I said.
5 minutes, it will
Oh.
be 5 into half, which is 5 by 2, which is 2.5 degrees. So Candy, Kai, UI, Smiley, Adya, Ruhan, Mr. Ba, Dia, and Aman, understood, not understood? And guys, आप ये याद रख लो, in 1 minute our hands go half degree.
So can you explain again?
I can explain again, but this is the second time we are doing this. So first of all, do you agree that in 12 hours the hour hand goes 360 degree? यहाँ से start होता है, फिर वापस आता है, फिर वापस आ जाता है, it comes back.
No.
So in 12 hours it goes 360 degree, 1 hour it will go 360 by 12, 30 degrees, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute 30 by 60, that is half degrees. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in 5 minutes, 5 into half, 5 by 2. समझ आया guys?
Sir, can you explain the last part?
बेटा 1 minute में half degree है.
Yes, sir.
5 minute में 5 into half.
Oh, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now note it down guys. Hour hand कितना चलता है 1 minute में? 1 hour में कितना चलता है? 30 degree. 1 minute में half degree. Please note it down.
Yes.
Then minute hand. How much does it travel in 1 minute?
Um,
Tell me guys.
sir, half degree. No, sir. 2.5 degrees.
1 minute में?
Sir,
Anyone who can give the answer?
30 degrees.
sir, 30. Sir, 30.
30 is wrong.
Sir,
Half. Sir,
6 degrees. Sir, 6
6
degrees.
6
degrees.
degree. 360
Oh.
divide by 60. 6 degree. पता है क्या होता है एग्जाम में ये कैलकुलेट नहीं होता पता नहीं क्यों बच्चों से. तो अगर ये कैलकुलेट नहीं हुआ इसमें बहुत टिपिकल क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं बहुत टफ क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. तो अगर आपको यही कैलकुलेट नहीं हुआ तो आगे आप you will be wasting your time also and your answer will also be not correct. So please रट लो आप. Ratlo for Olympiads also and for others also.
What has happened to Rohan?
I don't know. So is there anyone who has not understood Chatty, Guy, UI, Smiley, Adya, Ruhan, Mr. Ba,
Sir, I've understood it.
Ya, Aman?
I have not understood it.
You have not or you have?
No.
Beta, because your camera is off. That is the main problem. You lack in your concentration also that ways.
Sure, it's because
So you see, 12 क्या नहीं समझ में आया आ रहा है इनका कि minute hand का? Quickly tell me the answer.
minute. Minute.
Yes. Which one?
1 minute.
1 minute. Of minute hand or of hour hand?
Our hand.
Hour hand. So you understood 1 hour 30 degrees.
Yeah.
1 hour has how many minutes?
60.
So 60 minutes 30 degrees. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute will be how much then?
Half.
Half degree. That's what I have written. What
Okay.
else have I written?
Okay.
Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask that what have you written over here?
Beta, this is degree sign. वो 2 जैसा हो गया. This is degree.
And sir, over here also you have put a
It's
degree.
degree.
Okay. sir.
Okay. Now everyone knows what an isosceles triangle is. I think you should know. So do the third and fourth quickly. 1 minute questions. So guys, Candy. Beta, what's the first answer?
I sent C.
C. This is also correct, na? Quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite angles are equal. This is also correct. A parallelogram in two adjacent angles are equal. अगर मैंने adjacent angles equal कर दिए, then they are supplementary. तो वो दोनों 90-90 हो जाएंगे. So all are correct in this. अगर ये दोनों angle equal हो गए, दोनों 90-90 हो जाएंगे because their total is 180. Correct? Let's see beta, ये angle है, ये भी angle. If I say their total is 180 and both of them are equal, so it will be x plus x equal to 180. So 2x equal to 180. So each x will be 90. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth question, everyone got it right, ma'am. Please mark the answers in case everyone get it right. So fifth and 10th.
Sir, what does that line mean that is there in the center?
Which line, beta?
Sir, can I annotate?
Yes, yes, yes.
So these lines.
These lines means these two sides are equal. Now see guys, ये right angle triangle है. If it is a right angle triangle, on opposite I will have the hypotenuse. Means right angle triangle में जो opposite side होती है उसका नाम होता है hypotenuse. And it is the biggest side of the triangle. तो ये possible ही नहीं है कि ये और ये दोनों equal हो जाए. So in a right angle triangle, which is this one and this one, this case is not possible. This is possible. Understood?
That's what I said.
So you send C, then C is correct, beta.
So then why is it marked that it is equal?
Why it is not marked it is equal?
Why is it marked that it is equal in the A part?
ये उन्होंने उसकी जगह एंगल मार्क की. In an isosceles triangle, angles are also equal. If angles are equal, sides are automatically equal. 1/4 of revolution, 1/4 of 360 degree is 90 degree. Understood?
Yes, sir. So the revolution means the Earth's revolution.
No, revolution means anything. Rotation, revolution, it means anything.
Just a complete round.
Yes. Next one. I want to tell you one thing. Suppose we have what? We have a polyhedron. So all these shapes like prisms, pyramids, they we have a special name for them called polyhedrons. We call them polyhedrons. जैसे polygons होता है ना 3D shape के लिए we call them polyhedrons. Suppose a shape has 7 vertices and 8 edges. So how many faces does it have? इसके लिए we have a formula. The formula is f plus v minus e equal to 2. F plus v minus e is equal to 2. This is the formula. मुझे edges कम vertices 17 कर देता हूँ. 17 vertices. So how will I find f? F plus 17 minus 8 is equal to 2. नहीं मुझे vertices कम करनी पड़ेंगी. 1 second guys.
So now we'll have to use linear equations.
Yes. इसको 7 ही रखते हैं. So I will get f minus 1 equal to 2 and f will be equal to 1 plus 2 that is equal to 3. Understood?
So wait, I didn't understand.
So we have this formula. Note down this formula. F plus v. Faces plus vertices minus edges is equal to 2. Faces plus vertices minus edges equal to 2. Note down this formula. ये आप किसी भी सॉलिड में यूज कर सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने देखा था रेक्टेंगुलर पिरामिड. ठीक है. Let me use this formula. The formula is f plus v minus e equal to 2. Let's say मुझे faces नहीं पता. I don't know how many faces it has. So I will write f plus 5 minus 8 is equal to 2. F minus 3 is equal to 2. So f equal to 5. Similarly, I can find the number of vertices also, edges also. So where else you can use this formula? You can use this formula to check your answer. This formula normally comes in grade 8, but it's a very easy formula and you can always use it to check your answer. So Zapman, Adhya, beta, don't turn off your camera. So please note down the formula F plus V minus E equal to 2. Noted it down?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Oh, sir, I'll take a screenshot.
So I think we'll continue in the next session now. Bye bye, guys.
We
Enjoy.
have to learn all these names.
Yes,
Bye,
beta, you
sir.
have to memorize all these names
Bye,
also.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
guys. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.